All right, so I have come to the realization I haven't made a Cajun chicken. So I've come to the realization that I haven't made a Cajun chicken sandwich at all. I've made Cajun chicken everything else. I haven't made a sandwich. So not only are we gonna make a sandwich, but we are also going to make the seasoning for it. So I have here some salt, some black pepper, some white pepper. I did find some smoked paprika, which was a pain in the rear to find. Got some garlic powder, onion powder. We're gonna put some cayenne pepper in this, some ground thyme, and some oregano. And then to top this sandwich, we're gonna make a garlic aioli sauce, and then I got some tomatoes that I'll slice. Got some lettuce. We're gonna melt some Swiss cheese on this. And then I'm debating on whether or not I should just do regular red onion or saute it. I haven't decided yet. And then as for chicken, we got some boneless, skinless chicken thighs that we're gonna grill up. So the first thing is I wanna make my seasoning. And the recipe / measurements for this will be in the description below. Start with 2 tablespoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of thyme, and a teaspoon and a half of cayenne pepper. Okay, whisk this together. Okay, and there's your seasoning. Okay, now I got my chicken here and I'm gonna dust both sides. Okay, and then I'm gonna drizzle each of these with a little bit of olive oil. Okay, and there you have it. It's a little dark outside, so we're gonna use movie magic, but bam, movie magic. Look at that, ain't that pretty? Mmm. So now we're gonna make a quick garlic aioli. So all it is a half cup of olive oil mayo, a tablespoon of garlic, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, about a teaspoon of olive oil, half teaspoon of salt, and a half teaspoon of black pepper. Got a good mix. Perfect. So, we got that. I went ahead and sliced up some bread, some sourdough bread. I got some leaf lettuce, and then I went with raw onion, just because I like red raw onion a lot. If you want to saute it, go for it. But I'm going to leave it as is, and then some sliced tomatoes. But let's go ahead and toast some bread and melt some cheese. Okay, I went ahead and threw on some sourdough with some avocado oil on both sides. We're just going to let this bread get nice and toasty. And I got some Swiss cheese on a couple of the chicken thighs melting. All right, cheese is done. Bread's almost toasted. All right, so sandwich bread is done. Turn him off. Let's put this sandwich together. All right, so I have my bread. We're gonna lay both sides with sauce. Put some lettuce on there, a couple sliced tomatoes, some red onion. Okay, then I'm gonna put our 2 chicken thighs on there. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and flip-a-roo. And there you have a Cajun sandwich. Let's try it out. Let's give this a shot. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh yeah. I'm gonna go with this guy. Cheers. Wow. This has been long overdue. The sauce is fantastic. The chicken is cooked perfectly. The bread holds together nicely. And then the refreshingness of the lettuce and the tomato and even the onion, it just adds something to it. But the Cajun is got a nice balance of heat and a little bit of sweetness from the paprika. Even though it's smoked paprika, this is phenomenal. I think the sauce might be what does it for me. Yeah, this has been long overdue to make, let me tell you. It's very messy though. I will say that, very messy. Well guys, there you have it, a Cajun grilled chicken sandwich with a garlic aioli. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did and you're new, make sure you hit that sub button for me. Share this with your friends and family, and as always, peace out, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye!